Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mansi and I create content related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you're interested in all sort of a genre, please do consider subscribe to my channel. आज का वीडियो होने वाला है very huge purple makeup haul, makeup slash skincare haul. If you're interested what did I shop from Purple, let's get into the video. What a wonderful. The first thing which I got from Purple guys is this one. This is a Swiss Beauty foundation, like a Miracle Touch foundation. This is not their latest launch. This is their one of the older foundation, but इसमें shade range काफी अच्छा है and इसका coverage बहुत अच्छा है. That's what I heard. So I got the shade 05 Natural. They do have only 5 to 6 shade, which is a bummer. But the price which you're paying for, you can definitely go and grab this one. I definitely wanted to do a full face of Swiss Beauty. That's the reason I got this. This is how the foundation looks like guys from the inside. You get this glass sort of a bottle right here, which is really good, and at the same time you get the pump as well, which is really good. आपको बहुत सारे high end foundations में भी pump नहीं मिलता, which is very hassle free and बहुत अच्छा है आपको यूज करने के लिए. ये 45 ml का प्रोडक्ट है guys, and I really think that it's a good foundation. It's a semi matte foundation. It is definitely a buildable foundation. I'm not gonna say it's a full coverage foundation, but yes, for the affordable person you can definitely go and try this one. Next up guys, I got a few products from Inside because I'm planning to do one brand tutorial for a lot of different brands, and Inside is one of them. So I got their oil free primer. This is how it looks like from the box. It is an Indian brand guys, so you can definitely go and grab this one. This is very similar to, I believe it's a Blue Heaven one. This is how the packaging looks like from inside. This 3-in-1 Prime, Protect and Moisturizing. It is a long lasting foundation. It is more towards silicone finish actually. ये कुछ ऐसे दिखता है. You can see बहुत ही silicone based texture है इसका, which I believe if you have a combination skin type or if you have a pores, you will definitely try this out. ये बहुत ही easily melt हो रहा है in the skin. I can see because ये अच्छे से बहुत ही blurry सा canvas create कर देगा आपके face पे to set the foundation really nice. I'm liking the consistency. This is the first time I'm even touching the primer for sure. So I really like it so far. I will definitely do a tutorial using all of this product. Stay tuned for that. Next up guys, I got a concealer from Inside Cosmetics. This is how the packaging looks like. Don't you think so? The packaging is super classy for the price you're paying. It is very affordable concealer guys. ये सिर्फ 110 rupees का है, which is really good. I feel like इसमें आपको सिर्फ 4 shades मिलते हैं, and that's the reason I picked up the darkest one. This is how the shade looks like. If you are a medium skin tone, you can definitely use this as your highlighter shade. You get a really good packaging, and at the same time the wand is really nice. It's a doe foot wand sort of a thing. You can see बहुत ही अच्छा wand है for the precise application, and the concealer looks really nice. It's a very creamy concealer. As the first impression I'll say it's a very creamy concealer. I'm not sure how buildable it is or how full coverage it is. This does retail for 110 rupees guys, but I did got approximately 10 to 15% off on all the Inside products, so I will mention the price on the screen for sure for you. Next up guys is a compact I got from the Maybelline. It is a Fit Me compact. It's matte and poreless powder. It's a very old but a very good product. This is something for my mom I got. She wanted a compact for a long time, and I was like, Maybelline is a very definitely a right place to get a compact which is a full coverage, and it definitely works. This is how the compact looks like from inside. बहुत ही simple size का packaging है. Very very Maybelline. You get the full size mirror right here, and with this you get this sponge, and then here is your compact, right? I really feel like ये shade मेरी mom को जाएगा. I hope I'm in the shade 220. I believe yes, I'm in the shade 220 Natural Beige. If you're looking for a compact which is under budget and which is from a very good brand, definitely go and grab Maybelline guys. Next up guys, I got an affordable eyeliner for you guys. I wanted to try something which is from the affordable category and which is really good. Jet black, smudge proof and all that. So that's the reason I got this eyeliner. This is from the brand Swiss Beauty. I am really impressed with the Swiss Beauty packaging. इसका packaging बहुत ही classy है and very good dupe of a Makeup Revolution packaging. I really like the liner. I am wearing at the moment on my eyes, and I really like it. इट्स अ रियली गुड यू नो जेट ब्लैक काइंड ऑफ अ लाइनर। आप देख सकते हो बहुत ही अच्छा इसका टिप है। आप देख सकते हो बहुत ही यू नो प्रिसाइज लाइन ड्रॉ करने के लिए ये टिप है। बहुत ही ईजी है, बिल्कुल फ्लिमसी नहीं है, ये अच्छे से ब्लेंड होता है एंड यू कैन डेफिनेटली ड्रॉ एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ अ विंग विद वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट। यू कैन सी द स्वॉच राइट हियर, बहुत ही जेट ब्लैक कंसिस्टेंसी है, बहुत ही ईजीली आप इसको अप्लाई कर सकते हो। यू कैन डेफिनेटली ग्रैब दिस अप, इट वॉज अ काइंड ऑफ अफोर्डेबल लाइनर फॉर श्योर। Next liner which I got is from the brand Blue Heaven. This is how the liner looks like. Blue Heaven का eyeliners is very famous. I'm really looking forward to this guys. ये बहुत ही you know cheapest liner I will say was available on Purple at that time. So this is how the liner looks like. I'm gonna just open in front of you guys because मैंने भी अभी तक open नहीं किया है, मैंने check नहीं किया था because I just tried the Swiss Beauty one. दिस इज हाउ द लाइनर लुक्स लाइक गाइज। आप देख सकते हो बहुत ही सिंपल है, बहुत ही इजीली आप कैरी कर सकते हो। इसका भी एक फेल टिप दिख रहा है आई थिंक, ये भी ओह नाइस। This is how the liner looks like. This one is Blue Heaven, this one is Swiss Beauty. You can see Swiss Beauty is little more darker than the Blue Heaven, but I feel like Blue Heaven भी पूरा dry out होके उतना dark हो जाएगा I hope. But this was very cheap. This was for only 150 bucks, which is really good. वो भी पेन लाइनर 150 rupees. I think Blue Heaven did a good job. I hope it stays for a long time. Then it will be a stealer for all of us. Next up, guys, again I got from a Swiss Beauty. This is what the thing I'm talking about. This is a Swiss Beauty Fusion highlighter. I'm really happy with this highlighter. To be very honest with you guys, ये बहुत ही unexpectedly अच्छा highlighter निकला है. There was a few shade available in this particular range. This is how the packaging looks like from inside. I'm in the shade 02 if you're wondering. It is a really good highlighter. आप देख सकते हो इसका कुछ diamond sort of a shape है अंदर and the finish is really nice. It's very buttery, very creamy. It is not like a chunky highlighter which you get usually in the market. This is how the finish looks like. आप देख सकते हो the swatch is really promising. It is superbly buttery highlighter. It is not at all chunky from anywhere, which is the plus sign from my side. I really like this. I might buy few of the different shades in this. If you're looking for a very affordable highlighter, definitely go and grab this one. Next up, guys, I got a few lipstick from Purple because there was a very good offer going on in the lipstick. So the first lipstick which I got from the Purple is this one. This is a Swiss Beauty lipstick. This is how it looks like from the packaging, guys. It's really good copy of a Huda Beauty Bullet lipstick. I'm in the shade 03 Athena. It is a very good pinky mauvey sort of a color. आप देख सकते हो इसका packaging is superbly similar to the Huda Beauty Bullet lipstick. इसका फॉर्मूला बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही क्रीमी है एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. दिस इज हाउ द कलर लुक्स लाइक फ्रॉम इनसाइड. यू कैन सी अगर आप ऐसे देखोगे ना आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि हुडा ब्यूटी का बुलेट लिपस्टिक नहीं है. इतना अच्छा से कॉपी किया है उन्होंने पैकेजिंग. आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट द फॉर्मूला. आई विल गिव यू द स्वॉच राइट हियर. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक ऑन माई हैंड. आप देख सकते हो वो बहुत ही डिफरेंट सा रेडिश सॉर्ट ऑफ अ ब्राउन टोन पिंक है. I really like it. I definitely will wear it in my upcoming days. Today also I wore it a little bit here and there. I just mixed it up with the other lipstick which I wore. I really like the formula of this particular lipstick. I am trying to collect this lipstick in a different sort of a shade. But this is the first shade which I got and I am really happy with the formula. It's very smooth, very creamy and it will stay for the long time I believe. Definitely grab this up if you're looking for affordable. Next lipstick which I got is the lowest price lipstick on any site I will think so. This is the lipstick which I'm talking about. This is from the brand Inside. This is their non-transfer proof lipstick in the liquid formula. 80 रुपए में liquid lipstick. It was so good to be true I feel like, but बहुत ही अच्छा निकला है to be very honest. This is the shade which I got and it's shade 010 soft rose. बहुत ही pretty color है. आप देख सकते हो ये ऐसे कुछ दिख रहा है बहुत ही छोटू सा sleek सा packaging है, but the color is really nice. If you're looking for mauvey tone like a blue tone, pink and red, this is the color you should definitely go for. This is how it looks like on my hand. आप देख सकते हो बहुत ही pretty लग रहा है. This is the color which I'm talking about. This is really pretty color. I feel like बहुत ही अच्छा mauvey tone pink है. I really like this. आपको 80 रुपीज में लिक्विड लिपस्टिक मिल रही है, विच इज ऑल्सो नॉन सुपरबली ड्राइंग, विच इज डेफिनेटली अ गुड साइन. इफ यू लुकिंग फॉर एक्सट्रीमली अफोर्डेबल लिक्विड लिपस्टिक, डेफिनेटली गो एंड ग्रैब दिस वन. ये सिर्फ 80 रुपीज की है एंड यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ शेड्स टू चूज फ्रॉम. सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? गो ग्रैब दिस. Next lipstick which I got is again a liquid lipstick, again also affordable category. The one which I'm talking about is this one, guys. This is from the brand Faces Canada. This is their ultra matte liquid lipstick. ये उनकी नई range है, I will say. मैंने ये वाला range particularly try नहीं किया था, but when I saw it, this was on a 30% off. This is how the lipstick looks like, guys. ये बहुत ही छोटू सा lipstick है, बहुत ही प्यारा कलर है. I'm in the shade Silent Stalker 05. बहुत ही ग्रेट रेड, कूल टोन रेड जो बोलते हैं ना, वो वाला रेड है. इसका भी बहुत ही प्यारा सा छोटू सा डो फुट एप्लीकेटर मिलता है आपको. आप देख सकते हो, मैंने यहाँ पे आपको स्वॉच दिखा दूंगी. दिस इज हाउ द कलर लुक्स लाइक. आई डोंट नो, ये बहुत ही लाइट लग रहा है ऑन द कैमरा somehow, but this is a very good red tone, blue tone red. If you are looking for a very good blue tone red which will suit all the Indian skin tone, definitely go and grab this one. I got it for 30% off, guys. The second last product from the haul is this one, guys. This is a plum green tea mist. I really like this one. I have been using this mist for the longest time. मैं usually भी अपने बैग में हमेशा रखती थी, but अभी समर सीजन में ये मिस्ट बहुत ही essential sort of हो गया है. That's the reason I restock it. I really like it. I have used it as a setting spray, as a refreshment or whatsoever reason. I really liked it. इसका spray बहुत ही अच्छा है and it is contained of green tea which is a very calming ingredient. So you can definitely grab this one. मैं इसको 25% off में purchase किया था. If you're looking for a mist which is not a rose water, definitely want to try something new, go grab this one. You will not regret it for sure. Last thing from the purple haul which I got is this one, guys. This is the Mamaearth Onion range. This is their shampoo and this is their hair spa sort of situation. मैं ये इस चीज को इस कॉम्बो को बेसिकली मैं बहुत टाइम से यूज कर रही हूँ. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मुझे ये स्पेसिफिकली इनका हेयर मास्क, ओनियन हेयर मास्क मुझे बहुत पसंद है. ऑब्वियसली यू कैन सी मेरे बाल बहुत फ्रीजी है एंड आई डू नॉट लाइक टू आयरन देम और स्टाइल देम बिकॉज इट गेट्स एक्सट्रीमली फ्रीजी आफ्टर आई वॉश इट. That's the reason I switch back to this back and forth. I really like this one. You can definitely try this out if you have a frizzy hair. I did got this combo for 30 to 35% off. That's the reason I got this because I anyways wanted to stock this up. If you're looking to get something for your frizzy hair, definitely go and grab this combo. You will not regret it. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you like all my purchases which I got from Purple. If you like the video, please give this a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want me to do next. Until I see you next time. Bye, guys.